Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 1005 access denied message while trying to access websites, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to uninstall or disable any VPN service which is a third party unverified one. Okay, so right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, find any VPN service which is not a very reputable one and delete and uninstall it because it may cause problems. The next one is to disable the proxy server. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl, inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections window, select LAN settings, check the box associated with automatically detect settings. Uncheck the box associated with proxy server. Now click on OK. The next solution is to fix the date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Sorry, the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time and then finally click on sync now. Then lastly, use a reliable VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, etc. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.